Hi guys and welcome to the channel. My name's Mariella and the channel's In the Kitchen with Mariella. Hey, today is July the 31st. The last day of July already. Wow. Our devotion today is called A Firm Foundation. Let your roots grow down into Him and let your lives be built on Him. Colossians 2 verse 7. His brothers laughed at his heavy laboring day in and day out while they lounged around. Their homes had taken no time to complete, and they liked them just fine until the wolf came with his gusting huffs and puffs, and then the story is familiar as the story is as familiar as its lesson. Take time to do things right so when trouble comes, you will be safe. Built with worthy materials and you'll have something that lasts through the fiercest of storms. God, I am so grateful for your wisdom. You prepare me for the storms of life, and you give me a place to seek refuge. Thank you for being my steady rock. Not only can we have assurance in God's firm foundation, but He promises to bless us as we dwell with Him. Rains, flooding, and gusty winds will come, but He will see you through every storm with truth which will strengthen our faith. We will see Him triumphant over sins and darkness, and we will overflow with thankfulness. In the midst of the storms, you can rejoice. As the winds howl around you, your faith will grow stronger. Nothing will come against you that can blow your house down when you build it on the strong foundation of Jesus. Question of the day: how have you seen Jesus as your stronghold? As my faith grows stronger, so does my confidence. As my foundation becomes firmer, I feel more at peace. I want to thank you all for watching. If you would like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, leave a comment, and share my video. I would appreciate it. And as always, don't let anyone steal your sunshine or your smile. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye.